on now. We have a special presentation on a new initiative called Faces for Change, and we have Dr. Thandi Hicks Harper here to tell us a little bit about her new initiative here. Welcome, Dr. Hicks.
Thank you. Good evening, and happy birthday, Madam Mayor Reed. I also extend greetings to each of you, Harrisonburg City Council members. I am Dr. Thandi Hicks Harper, and I am President and CEO of the Youth Popular Culture Institute Incorporated, or YPCI, which is a 501c3 company with a long-standing history of working on projects targeting youth and families in Harrisonburg. My husband was born and raised here, and for over 30 years, we both continue to partner and collaborate with entities throughout the city in an effort to heighten its already existing accomplishments and to assist in ensuring the Friendly Cities movement toward positive change wherever and whenever it is needed. It is really my pleasure and honor to speak before you this evening, representing not only the Youth Popular Culture Institute, but also the re-emerging and newly funded Faces for Change Harrisonburg Drug-Free Community Coalition, or DFC. But before I continue, I'd like to thank Mayor Reed for her ongoing leadership, and in particular, I want to thank Councilmember Laura Dent for engaging with me about this project. I really appreciate her willingness to hear and even agree with the importance of us working together to assist young people in making drug-free choices. The Faces for Change Coalition actually started in 2009, however informally. We worked on projects off and on, but were not funded until December of 2020. YPCI was awarded a Center for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, Drug-Free Communities Coalition grant in the amount of $125,000 each year for a period of 5 years, with the potential of a continuation grant for another 5 years. The Executive Office of the President's Office of National Drug Control Policy and the CDC announced DFC Support Program Awards, and with the support from Harrisonburg City collaborators, we were funded. Thank you, Harrisonburg. You really should know that the DFC Support Program was created by the Drug-Free Communities Act of 1997. Today, there are a total of 733 DFCs, and 2 are in Harrisonburg: Faces for Change and Futuro Latino, which is a DFC that specifically targets the Latinx community and one that we are working in collaboration with. I am the Faces for Change program's project director and principal investigator, and we, the coalition's administrative team, sector members, and collaborators, are happy to announce that we have resources to aid in substance use prevention in our friendly city. We will establish and strengthen collaboration among communities, public and private nonprofit agencies, as well as federal, state, and local governments to prevent and reduce substance abuse among youth 18 years old and younger, and will reduce substance abuse among youth and, over time, adults by addressing our city's risk and protective factors. That's our aim. How will we accomplish this? By engaging, sharing, building capacity with and amongst Harrisonburg community sectors, including youth, parents, businesses, media, schools, law enforcement, healthcare professionals, colleges and universities, and others. Marijuana and the misuse of prescription and over-the-counter drug prevention is our focus. Recognizing increases in methamphetamine use among youth, YPCI has submitted another CD grant that, if awarded, will mean another $50,000 for this effort. On this Thursday and Friday, the 13th and 14th, from 10 a.m. to 12 noon each day, Faces for Change Harrisonburg will announce our DFC Coalition initiative to the city by way of a virtual conference called Hip Hop to Prevent. We are inviting the entire city to come share and learn how the evidence-based strategy that hip-hop culture has at its core can and is being used nationwide to successfully motivate youth to choose drug-free lifestyles. There will be informative panels with many of Harrisonburg's own substance use prevention professionals, law enforcement, youth engagement professionals, mental health experts, parents, youth, and others. Please register at www.facesforchange.org or call us at 540-820-0763 for more information. You must register to attend. In closing, City Council members, we are extremely excited about the possibilities, and are requesting that you support us in building coalition capacity so that we together become successful in our movement to motivate youth to choose healthy and drug-free lifestyles. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much. Thank you for choosing Harrisonburg to work with us. And we look forward to the conference tomorrow, Thursday, starts Thursday and Friday. So Councilwoman Dent, did you have anything to say before we let Dr. Harper go?
Well, thank you so much, Dr. Harper. It's a pleasure working with you. I look forward to the conference. Everybody be sure to sign up. That's faces4change.org.
Yes. Thank you, everybody.
All right, Dr. Harper, thank you for joining us. See you on Thursday.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, our next, we'll go on to item, I'm sorry, Councilman Jones.
Some calls about the sound quality, that we mute the city mic and all mics unless someone's speaking. Maybe that will help. It can't hurt. So just a suggestion until we get it all fixed.
Sounds good. Thank you. Yeah, we are definitely having some audio issues. We're getting text messages that you can't quite hear us. I know that Andy and Amy are working to resolve that problem. So thank you, Councilman Jones. Next on our special recognitions, item 4B